So in this video we are going to see some Windows 11 tricks. So the first trick is like changing the password. Okay, usually we change the password with the control panel and then entering the previous password and then entering the new password, but here we will see a trick for it. So search for cmd, run it as administrator, okay, and then type the command net user. So it will list out the user, what all users are available in your machine. So let's say if you want to change the password for admin, you type net user, then username for which you want to change the password, and the new password. Let's say this is my new password, and if I hit enter, this is how easily I change my password for the user admin. Okay, so the next here is blocking any website. Okay, so let's say if you want to block any website, okay, on your machine, so no one can access it. So for that, what you need to do, okay, you need to open run and then drivers. So here run, then type in drivers and hit enter. Once you will hit enter, you need to go inside etc. So go inside etc, and then you need to open the host files. Okay, so if you open directly from here, it will not allow you to save the file. So best thing is like search here the notepad, then run it as administrator, right click and run as admin, and then go to this location. Okay, this is like this one, correct? Sorry, you have to go one directory back only here. So simply copy this location and on the notepad come to file, open and paste this location and hit enter. And now here select all files. So open this host files, and here you have to do some entry. Okay, so let's say if you want to block any website, so like this is like 127.0.0. Instead of 1, now you type 2 and type in like I want to block facebook.com or www.facebook.com, or let's say I want to block any other website, so 120.0.3, and I'll say like twitter.com or www.twitter.com. So in this way you can mention multiple websites and then click on file and save, and now close the file. Now if you will try to access this website, okay, you will not be able to access it. Let's say if I want to like facebook.com, once I will hit enter, okay, it will give us an error and then website is now blocked. Okay, same way if I want to like open the twitter.com, it will not get opened because we have blocked the website using that particular. And if you want to just unblock them, go to that particular file and then remove them. So in this way you can unblock them. Then the third thing here is like seeing the Wi-Fi password using the cmd view. Okay, so for that what you need to do, you need to come here, you need to type cmd, run it as admin, okay, and then you need to type in command netsh wlan and then this whole thing. Okay, so like show profile and this name. Okay, I will give this thing. So once you will hit enter, okay, so profile name here is okay, the one the Wi-Fi name to which you are connected. Okay, so currently I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi, that's why I'm not able to see so here. So let's say like you have connected to Airtel or Excitel or anything, you just need to change that to name and then hit enter. And once you will hit enter, you will get this kind of output. Okay, so here you will see like okay, your SSD name will be your Wi-Fi profile name, and here you will get the password. In the key content you will get the password, whatever the password set for that. So in this way you can like get the password of any Wi-Fi to which you are connected. Okay, because sometimes like you go to your college and you get your Wi-Fi connected by your college team, they don't tell you the password so that you cannot connect to your phone. So in this way you can get the password. Okay, now the third thing here is how to hide any partition in your computer. Okay, let's say we have like C drive, D drive, E drive, okay, so many drives. So let's say I don't want this D drive to be displayed here or E drive. Okay, so for that what we need to do, okay, we need to open run and gpedit. So open run from here, okay, then type here gpedit.msc. then we need to follow this location, that is user management. Okay, so let's follow this user configuration, then administrative template, so here it is. Then we have to go to the Windows component, then we have to go to file explorer, and here we need to find out what hide these specific drives. So let's find out this where it is. So we will see like hide this specified drives in my computer. Double click on it to open it, and here you say enable, and from these options you need to select which you want to hide or restrict. So let's say I want to hide only D drive. Okay, as the D drive is my CD or DVD, so I want to hide this. So once I select that option, okay, I need to simply click on OK. So let me just take it to the other side. I need to apply and OK. So now this policy get applied. Now if I just go there, okay, I will not see the D drive here, but still it is there. So same way, if you want to like remove this, restrict the E drive or any other drive, so that you will have the personal data in that drive and no one will be able to see that. So in that way you can hide it. And if you want to unhide, just go to this option and unhide that. Now the next thing here is how to check any website address. Okay, let's say you have access to like google.com. okay, so instead of google.com you want to browse it using the IP address. So how you can do that, let's like open CMDB. Okay, so here it is, we have opened the CMDB, and now we have to type in command ping and the website for which we want to get the IP address, and hit OK. So this is the IP address of this particular website. Okay, so if you want to like browse it with the IP address, you can simply type like https:// and IP address, and this will also open your same thing, that is Google Chrome. If you hit go to like this thing, see automatically it is redirecting you to the google.com. So same if you want to like check for the Facebook, okay, so ping, or let's say we do the yahoo.com, and this is the website for the yahoo.com. So here we can see this is the address for this particular yahoo.com website. So in this way you can browse the website using their IP address. Now the next trick here is how to find your DNS, DHCP or gateway details. Okay, sometimes you need to find out your DHCP or DNS gateway detail. How you can find out? You need to open CMDB. Okay, so as it is open here, I'll just say like clear CLS. Okay, and then I will type ipconfig/all. Type in like ipconfig/all, and this will list all the details. Okay, what your DHCP server is, then what is your default gateway is, and the other details. Okay, what's your IP address is, and the subnet mask, and all those details. So in this way you can get all these details from the tricks. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.